Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to claim food prizes in McDonald's Monopoly on app. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply make sure that your app is updated. So you want to open the App Store or Play Store and go to the application and see if you have the latest update or not. After that, tap on the Monopoly or My Rewards banner on the home screen. After that, you'll need to sign in to your McDonald's or My McDonald's Rewards account. If you do not have one, create an account. Step 3, go to My Prizes, tap My Prizes or Rewards to see all your instant win food prizes. Step 4, you want to select a prize, tap the prize that you want to redeem, check the details and expiration date. Step 5, redeem at checkout. Use the app at checkout in store or via mobile order. Show the price code or let the app apply it automatically. Step 6, enjoy your reward. Your food price is now redeemed. Repeat for any other prices before they expire. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.